leading up to the date that you had managed to go live, there was obviously some training for your people. On the date that you actually went live, how challenging was it? How long did it take for your staff to start feeling comfortable and being able to use the system reasonably well? Was it a long process? Did they pick it up fairly quickly, or was it a bit of a challenge?
I would say it was relatively quickly. The implementation process was probably, I don't know if I should say this, but put pressure here on, but like a couple of months. The day we went live, and for that week, Ryan was on site to help us through any of our challenges. But before that took place, I guess there was a core group in our business that all had significant amounts of training and knowledge on the program before we went live. And they were kind of people dispersed throughout the business. So they were kind of the leads of Odoo to help all those different sections of our business look after their problems. And because of that, I would probably say on the second day of it going live, we were comfortable.
Yeah, I still remember that date because in manufacturing business, it starts very early, about 7 a.m. Yeah. So I come there with the business to go around different department, shop floor, like from the sales team to design team and accounting team to make sure everything is working fine.